Such a gorgeous bob undercut style. I love the bangs and the pop of hidden peekaboo color that she had with that one. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some more hair transformations. So here we have a stunning asymmetrical pixie style. This one features the longer bangs in the front. Followed by our next hair transformation. So she starts off with mid-length hair. And bam, another stunning pixie makeover. Next up, we have another pixie haircut style. Really like her grown out hair color that she has. Beautiful mix of copper. It looks like she got a nice pixie undercut. Oh, this is so cute. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we see someone with hair around mid-length. The stylist cuts the hair into another gorgeous pixie. This one does feature longer hair in the front, a bit of a play on the pixie bob trend. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the dramatic angle of this cut. Very cute. And then we have a nice cut refresh with this pixie. Oh, I love the color combination on this, the blonde with the black. And the pop of red on the lip, so pretty. Next up, we have another long too short. So it looks like she has a few uneven pieces as well as some thinning ends. So let's see what the stylist decides to do with her hair. Oh, wow, beautiful shoulder length bob style. Her hair looks so thick and so much healthier. Very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.